In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own little Python library. So first, we're going to make our library script, library.py. And now in this, we're just going to make it as simple as possible. So let's just say print hello. That's all it's going to do. Now, if we run this with a Python debugger, Python file, it's going to say hello right here. I'm just going to make it print a new line before it does that, just so that it's easier to see. I'm going to make a new Python file and call it main.py. From this main, we want to import the library. So we just say import library. And now if we run main, it'll do everything that it does in library. So if I say F5, then boom, it'll say hello, even though we're running this main and all it's doing is importing library. But maybe you want your library to be a bit more complicated. So let's make it a class in the library and call it thing. And let's make it have initialization, define it, self, message, and now I print the message here. And self.message equals message. Now if I go here, I can say library dot and say thing. And my message will be hello world. And if I say F5, then boom, hello world. With this, you're able to connect multiple of your own libraries, your own Python files, and connect it all into one bigger main, making it a lot more organized.